All right, I've explained optimization to you. After that, let's see what's next after getting our winning video. Suppose I go to ad sets and this video is my winning one, bringing in the most orders. Now I need to scale it. I've already explained scaling to you that you need to do this scaling, right? From here, how will the second scaling be done with the budget? I'll duplicate the video, click on new campaign and write the product name. Let's suppose it's my juicer, okay, juicer. What will I do in interest testing? I'll test the interest. I'll write interest testing ahead, AB, okay, I'll duplicate it. After duplicating C, now this new campaign for interest testing has been created. Now it has one video. How many videos were there before? Tell me what were we testing in the previous campaign? Yes, there were videos. What were we testing? We were testing the product, and besides that, we were testing the creative. Now, what will we test? We've got the winning creative. Now, we'll test this creative on interest, okay? I've come to the ad set. Everything will remain the same. Website, pixel event, budget will remain 30, okay? After that, I'll come down. The location will remain UAE, where there is an advantage plus audience. Below that is the switch to original audience option. I'll click on it, use original audience. Here, see advantage detailed targeting. Okay, now I have to add interest here. Now, what will the interests be? See, like my juicer, it's a kitchen related product, home and home appliances. Now, in home appliances, the things that people interested in home appliances might buy my juicer too, isn't it? Tell me in the chat. I've selected from here an audience that buys home appliances, so my ad will show to them. Now, there are three things. One is single interest, one is stack, and one is flex targeting. Flex targeting, single interest is when you add one interest. If I added one interest, clicked on suggestions and added home improvement too. I clicked on suggestions, added household goods too. So what did it become? A stack. A stack of different interests was created. Is this clear? Okay. After that, there's flex targeting. I'll tell you. I selected one interest, then there's a define further button below. If I click on it and add an interest, I write engaged shoppers. See, now what does this mean? It means people who buy or are interested in household goods and must have both qualities. They like household goods and their purchase behavior is that they often buy. Did you understand this? Did you all understand this? Can someone tell me what single interest, stack, and flex interest are? Tell me in the chat box. In stack, you can select from suggestions according to your preference and you can search from here too. Stack means multiple interests. We select multiple from here. Single means just one. Flex means one selected above also match, which will show to those with both qualities. That's it. Did you understand? Moise, you're absolutely right. Stack means multiple interests. Yes, did you all understand? Kindly respond so we can move on. If you didn't understand, you can say you didn't understand. Please respond yes and tell me here. Ahmed, did you understand now? Yes, here. Sir, to review in short, single interest means a single interest. We added one interest, then there's stack. In stack, what do? We add multiple, added house and garden. Added home and kitchen, added home and garden. Okay. Now, what will happen is it will show to them and to them too. That's what stack means. What flex targeting does is it will see those interested in home and garden and who are engaged shoppers, those with both qualities, it will show to them. Did you understand? Right? Now you tell me. Okay, let's move on. Now see, I only added home and garden in this. Okay, now this is my one interest. I'll copy it from here. What will I do? I'll write it in the name of my ad set so that it's easy for me in analysis. Okay, what I do more often is I test single interest more. Sometimes I do stack too. Okay, so I'll duplicate the ad set from here. I'll make two copies of it. After making copies, see this. Now, after making copies, what will I change in it? You tell me, what will I change? Yes, Umar and Adnan are absolutely right. I'll change the interest. I'll go to interest below. I had added home and garden in it. What will I do in it? I'll search here. Let's suppose I search kitchen. My product is related to kitchen, so I search kitchen. Now see, kitchen is coming up. I selected kitchen. I'll copy it. I'll put it here, okay? And there's one interest I want to tell you about that often works on products. Note it down. What interest often works on products? Online shopping. I removed it, searched here online. Shopping. So it shows ads to people who do online shopping. See, multiple are coming up with interest written ahead. See, online shopping detail interest, I'll select it. I'll copy it from here and paste it here. Did you understand? Did you understand or not? No. I do single interest. I sometimes use flex. I use single interest. See, I haven't done flex, haven't clicked on anyone. Now, how will its optimization be done? Can someone tell me? Make three in interest. Can someone tell me I've launched this campaign? I've just explained the creative testing optimization to you, so we'll do the same thing. How will I do it? Can someone tell me? Keep the budget the same, don't increase the budget. In optimization, always increase the budget after observing for 3 days. In optimization, we see if there is an ad set with a bad CTR, we turn it off. On the second day, we check if there are add to carts or purchases. That's how we check. Did you understand?